So today we are going to discuss about preparation of alcohols, continuation methods. So the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. For example, let us consider symmetric alkene CH2 double bond CH2. So it is ethene. Ethene react with water. So HOH react with water in the presence of acid catalysis. So acid means H plus. It is the catalysis reaction. So then hydrogen attached to the one double bonded carbon, OH group attached to the another double bonded carbon. Then the obtained alcohol is CH3, CH2, it is OH, C2H5OH, it is ethyl alcohol. So the obtained alcohol is the primary alcohol. Because alcohol functional group OH is attached to the primary carbon, the obtained alcohol is primary alcohol. So next one is if the hydrolysis of the unsymmetric alkene, for example CH3 single bond CH double bond CH2. So it is propene or 1-propene. So 1-propene is the asymmetric alkene. So now it is react with water. So then in the presence of acid catalysis, now in this process Markovnikov rule is applicable because it is the reagent. In this reagent, hydrogen is positive, OH is negative. So the negative part of the reagent is addition to the less number of hydrogen carbon. Because these two are bonded with a double bond, this carbon with one hydrogen, this carbon with two hydrogens. So this carbon with less number of hydrogens, this carbon with more number of hydrogens. So then OH group addition to the less number of hydrogen carbon. So hydrogen addition to the more number of hydrogen carbon. So now the obtained alcohol is CH3. It is CH. Double bond converted into single bond and it is CH3. It is OH. So it is the 2-propanol. So meet prop. So second carbon with alcohol, it is the 2-propanol. So the obtained alcohol is the secondary alcohol. So in this process, it is follow the Markovnikov rule. So what is Markovnikov rule? In a reagent, negative part is attached to the or addition to the less number of hydrogen carbon is called Markovnikov rule. So these are the preparation of the alcohols from alkenes. So the next preparation method is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. So generally Grignard reagent is denoted with RMgX. So RMgX means R is the alkyl group, magnesium it is the halogen. Alkyl magnesium halides is known as Grignard reagents. So now from Grignard reagent react with aldehydes as well as ketones. So number one is, for example, let us consider formaldehyde HCH double bond O. It is the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. So now formaldehyde, it is treated with RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. So then it is R, it is C, H1H2, RCH2. So the obtained compound is RCH2, OMgX. So then it is OMgX. So now the obtained compound is the addition product. It is the addition product. So now on hydrolysis of the addition product, hydrolysis means it is treated with water. So then on hydrolysis of addition product, so then it gives RCH2, it is combines with OH, RCH2OH. So the remaining is MgOHX. So then RCH2OH plus MgOH, it is X. So the obtained compound is the alcohol. Actually, the obtained compound alcohol is the primary alcohol. So it means simply Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, it gives primary alcohols. So then it is explained with one suitable example. Let us consider formaldehyde HCH, it is a double bond O. It is treated with methyl magnesium chloride. In the place of alkyl group, if we take methyl group, in the place of halogen, if we take chlorine, methyl magnesium chloride. So then the obtained product is CH3CH2OMg, it is Cl. So the obtained product is the addition product. On hydrolysis of the addition product, CH3CH2 combines with OH. So then CH3CH2, it is OH. So remaining is MgOH, it is Cl, plus MgOH, it is Cl. MgOHCl. So the obtained alcohol is ethyl alcohol. So finally, Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde, it gives the primary alcohols. So the next one is other than formaldehyde, remaining aldehydes reaction with the aldehydes other than formaldehyde, So other than formaldehyde, remaining aldehydes are treated with Grignard reagent. It gives secondary alcohols. For example, R, it is CHO. R is alkyl group, CHO is aldehyde. So RCHO, it is treated with RMgX, Grignard reagent. So now the obtained addition product is RCH, so then it is CH, it is R, for example it is R dash, so it is R dash, so then the remaining compound is O, it is OMgX. So the obtained compound is the addition product. The obtained compound is the addition product. So now hydrolysis of the addition product. Hydrolysis of the addition product R C R dash. It is combined with OH. So then the obtained alcohol is R dash, it is CH, it is OH plus. So then remaining is MgOH. So then MgOH and it is X. So now in this alcohol, this carbon is secondary carbon. This carbon is secondary carbon because this carbon attached with another two carbons. It is 1, it is 2. So then the obtained alcohol is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. So except or other than formaldehyde, remaining aldehydes are reactive with Grignard reagent. It uses secondary alcohols. Now it is explained with one suitable example. Let us consider CH3CHO. It is the acetaldehyde. So it is the acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde is treated with methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. So then the obtained product is, it is CH, it is CH3, it is CH3, it is O, it is MgCl. It is the addition product. Addition product. So on hydrolysis of the addition product, hydrolysis of the addition product, CH3, it is combined with OH. So the obtained alcohol is CH3, it is CHOH plus MgOH, it is Cl, MgOH, Cl. So it is so 2-propanol. The obtained alcohol is 2-propanol, and this carbon is secondary carbon because it is attached with another two carbons. It is 1, it is 2. So this carbon is a secondary carbon. So alcohol functional group is attached to the secondary carbon. So the obtained alcohol is secondary alcohol. So finally, other than formaldehyde, remaining aldehydes react with Grignard reagent. It gives secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. So then, next preparation method of the alcohol is alcohols